In OCI, we have plenty of hardware ready, just sitting there for you to use them. There are many advantages of doing testing in the cloud. You can provision instances as you want. You can get rid of them when you're done with your test, and you only pay for what you use. But did you also know that in OCI, with some of the database cloud offerings, in the license is included some of the options and packs that you have to pay for your on-prem systems? Have a look at this matrix. As you can see, the Diagnostics and Tuning pack is included in the Database Cloud Services from Enterprise Edition and onwards. I know those two packs are very popular with many of you out there. The same applies with real application testing, which includes SQL Performance Analyzer. We'll have a look at that later on in this webinar. And also included in the high performance and up is advanced compression. Which use cases are there that can utilize these options and packs when it comes to testing? If you look at the Diagnostics pack, the AWR and ASH is something that comes to my mind immediately. If you can run a realistic workload on your cloud instance in OCI, you can use those tools to quickly navigate into the workload and see where the bottlenecks are. Once you have identified a few problematic queries, or hopefully there are only few, but there could be tons, you can use the tuning pack to use the SQL Access Advisor and the SQL Tuning Advisor to get some recommendations on what you can do with those queries to make them run faster. Do you need another index? Do you need partitioning or something else that the advisors can come up with? Once you have identified some good changes to make, you can use SQL profiles to nail down those good plans. Also, real application testing is really useful, and especially SQL Performance Analyzer. You can have your workload represented in SQL tuning sets. You can then run it through multiple test executions where you change init order parameters, statistics, and so forth. And you can then do continuous improvement on your database configuration to find the optimal setting for your queries.